Question 1. Seuseungnim, when our soul is joyful, does that mean our whole life becomes joyful too?
When our soul is joyful, we don't feel hungry easily, we don't tire quickly, and even if we do, we recover fast. A joyful soul clears away the impure energy inside us. That's why we must purify and awaken our soul. When the soul is alive, everything looks beautiful, the clouds, the sea, the mountains. But if the soul is asleep, life feels dull. Once we awaken the soul, wisdom begins to flow, and life feels worth living. Why? Because the soul has woken up.
Question 2. Do our souls also wake and sleep like we do?
Yes, our soul also goes through cycles of sleeping and waking. If the soul gets hurt, it can fall asleep. People often say their heart is wounded, but it is not the heart, it is the soul that gets hurt. A single word can wound the soul. That's how powerful the energy and weight of words can be. One careless remark can cut deeply into someone's soul and make it hard to recover. That is why a single word can either save a person or break them. Words are incredibly important because they strike directly at the soul. A careless word leaves no scar on the body, but it wounds the soul and causes serious problems in life. To speak well, we must cultivate our inner substance. To use words of high quality that benefit others, we must raise the quality of our soul.
Question 3. What does the soul do while we sleep?
The soul does many things, but it also needs rest. The reason the body rests is to let the soul rest. Unlike humans, animals don't need much sleep to be energetic. But if we don't sleep properly, we lose strength, not because of the body, but because the soul loses energy. When the soul is depleted, the body also becomes weak too. Sleeping well means giving the soul the rest it needs. When the soul rests well, it regains strength. That is why sleep is very important. Our soul needs both rest and periods of activity. If it is always under tension, it becomes tangled, and then we start to feel foggy or strange. This is why we need to develop the habit of sleeping well, for the sake of our soul.
Key takeaways. 1. Awaken the soul, and wisdom begins to flow, because the soul has woken up. 2. A single word can either heal or wound the soul. Words shape our life. 3. Good sleep restores the soul. Without it, both soul and body grow weak.